Hello young friends, this video is being brought to you by Rao Scientific Society. So the series of videos which we are going to show you will help you to understand the fundamental scientific principles which you see around you, and it will help you to develop friendship with science. So what we have here is yet another version of the coupled pendulum, but here there are many pendulums, all of which are coupled by this cylinder, because all of them are attached to that. Now what happens when I displace only one pendulum? So initially only this pendulum is going to oscillate and others are at rest. I do not disturb the other pendulums. But watch carefully what happens after some time. So initially the pendulum on the left is oscillating, but after some time you see that the other pendulums also start oscillating. So what is happening here is energy of this pendulum is conveyed to that pendulum due to this, because this cylinder is also oscillating, and that oscillatory motion is conveyed to the other pendulums, and energy goes back and forth through this coupling cylinder, which is exactly similar to what we observed there, but here the only difference is there are more pendulums. We have here in fact total of 6 pendulums, all of which are coupled by this. So in this way you can construct more and more complicated systems where you have many pendula and then you have a coupling. You can also do one more version of the coupled pendulum where you have 2 pendulums coupled by a spring. So that gives rise to even more interesting phenomena. But as far as this pendulum is concerned, that's all I have to say. Thank you.